Yeah, so we're only 25 miles from the airport. Kind of interesting scenery around here, right? Just
yeah.
the way kind of the hills go around and stuff like that. So yeah, that is the road out over that way, and then it's just going to come around and stuff. So we're kind of cutting on the inside of the road here. What would have been an interesting flight to have actually followed the highway down, you know, flown out through Altoona, and then kind of followed it down some. Now look at this, we got nice blue skies, but we're only 10 minutes away.
Well.
At 17 miles. Right, descent down. We are 10 miles out. Potomac Air Park, Archer 415 Golf Kilos, 10 miles to the northeast, inbound for full stop landing, Potomac Air Park. Potomac Air Park, Archer 415 Golf Kilo is 4.5 miles inbound for landing, runway 29, Potomac. Okay. All right, so that's the highway we'd be coming in on.
Oh, yeah.
That's it there.
Plant or the airport?
No, the airport. This would be the road you take down to go to Berkeley Springs, which is down there.
Yeah.
Airport's over here.
Yeah, there's the hotel, the Super 8 or whatever it is.
Potomac Air Park, Archer 415 Golf Kilo, entering the downwind for landing runway 29. All right. No pumps on, mixture's rich.
Oh, that sun's bright.
Yeah, well, we're not going to be landing into it, so. Okay. A little high, I guess, but. And everything looks good.
I'm watching our shadow land as well. It's so cool. Oh, that is so cool.
That's the one day I got that video. Go down to the end of the runway. Fuel pumps off.
What a shame this airport is like.
No, well, I mean, they got all those hangars. There's pilots have got them in there.
Even porta potties.
Yeah, thank goodness.
Well, I'm going to hold out on that. I'm not going in a porta potty.
Yeah, see how long you have to walk if you're going to go down to the... All right, now the question is... Oh, okay. Wondering, I thought maybe that would be a taxiway or something. I didn't notice, but no, it's a roadway to go back in there. So... Oh, that's the road that actually you take back to the hangar, but hey, I bet you Galen's up. So there is like a little op part on the runway here, so I'm gonna pull over and just park it right off the side of the runway.
Yeah, somebody's standing out up there.
That's Galen.
Bless his heart.
Okay, so just
Aww.
park it over here. Okay, so if I park it here, it's going to be basically out of the way, and all right. Everything ready to go fly?
Let's go.
Yeah. Center line, and then we'll just... Okay. There's 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, rotate, go. Is there.
Too bad you don't have a horn. Too bad you don't have a horn.
Yeah. Okay, we'll just I'll climb up and fly down there. Fly down over Berkeley Springs. How's that?